Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app and then simply unroll the top bar just by tapping on the three bars icon in the right upper corner. It does not really matter on which mode it will be, it will work the same because this option is hidden in general settings. What is more, I forgot about it. I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. Alright, so let's enter those settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Default Settings. Tap on OK. As you can see, basically nothing happened, just those options flashed a little bit. So now let's go back to the camera and check. And as you can see, we do not have any grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.